ko sure, paano tatanggapin yung team up namin ngayong 50s na kami.
So parang meron kang anxiety?
Of course, a little bit. I just never imagined it would be huge.
Was it really bad sa inyong dalawa? Bago kayo nagkita ulit, nag-away ba kayo? Nagbati lang kayo on the set?
Actually, hindi ko talaga alam kung anong mangyayari. Hindi naman kami nag-aaway na harapan eh. I didn't know what to expect, pero laging negative. Parang nakaka-nervous na, hindi ko alam kung tama ba itong tinanggap ko to. Tapos biglang maya-maya na-feel ko pagpasok, sabi niya, hi. Sabi ko, hi, gumayan ako. Tapos may dala siyang fruit basket. Oh, thank you, gumayan lang ako. Tapos, sige, I'll see you later.
Was it like just the first moment again?
It's hard to answer eh. Kasi kami yung maraming pinagdaanan. Tapos may anak kami. Actually, nung nakita ko yung commercial, tulala muna ako. Inulit ko. Pag ulit ko, naiyak talaga ako.
Bakit sa palagay mo nga pumatok?
I think, na-miss nila. Beginning to end, di kami nag-uusap.
No.
Yeah, that was... And Richard was very respectful. I have very bad memories of that whole movie. Pati yung nag-rehearse kayo ng mga linya, pag take na, iba na.
Katakot-takot na hirap ang dinanas ko sa piling mo, but I always stood by your side!
And then we couldn't tell people na hindi kami magkasundo. Pero maganda yung movie lumabas.
Sa bawat pelikula na pinagtambalan nila ni Gabby, umamin si Sharon na may nakatanim na hugot sa kanyang dibdib.
Akala ng mga fans nyo dati magkakabalikan kayo dyan. Bakit parang naluluha ka, Sharon?
Hindi mapigilan ni Sharon ng maging emosyonal sa aming interview.
This one was real. He was coming back to me. He met someone else. And he chose her. But that's okay. I mean, that's a long time ago. It has something to do also with I have issues, Karina, na people think they call you mega. People think you have everything. I've always felt I was never enough. For any man. Since my first husband. So it's, I know how to channel lang my energies. And every time before I would come out on TV, I had a license to be happy. Alam mo yung kung puro puso noon, isip at puso naman, wag puro puso.
All of this time, you had no contact with Gabby? Nothing?
We had very little contact and usually it would end in a fight.
How do you move forward from here? Napaiyak ka pa tuloy namin kasi parang...
Hindi, kasi nakita ko yun eh.
Oh.
I was so happy there.
Oh.
I could be friends with the father of my daughter. That's how I felt. That's a very special movie to me. First true love mo. Tapos nawala. So feeling ko, at nangyari si Snow White, nadapa.
Diyos ko, talagang parang inulit ko yung buhay mo sa harap mo. Sorry, ha?
Ngayon ko lang nga naulit. Sorry. Hindi ko, akala mo gaganto tayo, tatawa tayo. Abay, nakapagtataka, ba't may naramdaman akong sakit?
Oo, no.
No, kasi I think it's been a long time. And Corina, pinag-uusapan natin, hindi lang mga pelikulang ginawa namin eh. Buhay ko to eh.
Landmark sa puso mo, ano? You know, we're so honored you're here to share with us. Importante din na malaman ng tao, no? Yung katotohanan sa Sharon Gabby.
Ayokong magkwento ng sobrang detalyado na mapapasama siya kasi tatay siya ng anak ko.